Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of I Hate Chips. Today I will share with you a recipe that will surely pick you up. Can you guess what it is? Tiramisu. Game? For the full list of ingredients, you can visit our YouTube channel. Pa-like and subscribe na din! The first thing we'll need to do is to combine double cream with sugar and with vanilla extract. Let them mingle until kiligin sila sa isa't isa. Di ba mas masaya kapag may chemistry? Sana all. Once they are combined, you can add the mascarpone. Now, to put a twist in this Italian classic dessert, lagyan natin ng prutas na may puso. Banana. Set aside the cream. Now, it's time to bring out the ladies for some coffee. And by ladies, I mean Ladyfingers. Let's give the ladies a quick coffee bath before lining them in the pan. I just use a regular coffee, but feel free to use a stronger one of your liking. Huwag lang yung masyadong matapang ha, baka mamaya pati maling tao ay maipaglaban. Ano ba to? Para naka-shot lang? Speaking of shots, feel free to add a tablespoon of whiskey or brandy to your coffee. Once you have fully covered the surface with Ladyfingers, spread the cream on top like this. Repeat the process one more time so you will end up with 2 layers. Last but not the least, sprinkle some cocoa powder. Ayan, tapos na siya. But before we can eat this, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can plate and put fresh banana as topping. Ayan, Instagrammable. Or pwede ding B-roll. Picture time! It's time to eat! I hope this video picked you up. See you on our next one. Take it away, Yam!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Naubos! Naubos! Naubos ni bata!
Sarap! Oh my!
You like the banana? You like the banana cream?
Wow!
Oh my goodness!